In this video, I will tell you how to add Klarna to Shopify. So first of all, log into your Shopify account, and after that, simply on the down left side, you can see the settings option. So just click on settings. So here new tab is appeared. So search for the payments. So here you can see the payments option. Just click here. So in this tab, you have to select the add payment methods. So just simply click on add payment methods, and now here search for Klarna. So as you can see, Klarna is here. Just simply click on this tab, and after that here you have to activate it with debit card. So after that you will be successfully added Klarna to Shopify.